like that. Oh my gosh. Don't bother me.
What's he give you? Well, because I don't have this thing pulled up, just go through the bathroom.
I'll just tell him.
Close, but not quite.
It feels like it's getting a little bit cooler, doesn't it? For my imagination.